Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. So Bitcoin is around currently about 95k. I know it dipped down to 94k earlier, but I believe it's been holding steady at 95k. And while most people are still arguing about price, real businesses are quietly building Bitcoin treasuries. Here's what just happened, and this is important, okay? Steak and Shake didn't just accept Bitcoin, as you can tell right here in this title on this article. They integrated Bitcoin directly into their treasury strategy, okay? And instead of Bitcoin payment, instead of converting Bitcoin payments back into cash, they're actually keeping the Bitcoin. So customer purchases are now flowing straight into a Bitcoin reserve. They're using a Lightning Network, cutting payment fees by about 50% and avoiding debt, stock dilution, or capital markets altogether. Okay, this is what real adoption looks like. Okay, so it's not speculation, not trading hype, it's infrastructure. This turns everyday spending into long-term treasury growth. And this is why Bitcoin holding near 95k matters. When price consolidates at higher levels while adoption expands, that's structure strength, not weakness. This is how floors get built, okay? So for traders, this reduces downside risk and volatility over time. For investors, and reinforces that Bitcoin as a balance sheet asset, not just a chart pattern. And for business owners, it shows Bitcoin as a tool, not a gamble. Most people will hear this and still do nothing. They'll wait for the dip, they'll wait for permission, or they'll chase price later. And it's only going to go from here, okay? This is why education matters more than signals. Understanding how money flows, how institutions think, and how to position yourself before headlines go mainstream. That's the difference. If you want to learn how real traders and investors approach markets, not hype, not shortcuts, DM me, okay? This is the lane that I'm in. Bitcoin at 95k isn't the story. Who's quietly building with it is. And when I say it's only going to go up from here, what I mean is it's never going to be as low as it is right now again. So, back in 2011, we haven't hit that price. Yeah. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.